Today, we're going to discuss some effective collaboration tips you can use to achieve the best voiceover project possible. Let's jump right in. In the world of voiceover, collaboration is the key to success. Effective teamwork can bring your project to the next level and streamline the whole process.
Dylan! Good to see you, Dutch.
Thankfully, we make it easy to collaborate on all of your projects. Here are 3 easy ways you can improve your collaboration on our platform. Start by creating and sharing a shortlist. A shortlist is an easy way to share a list of your favorite auditions. This helps narrow down the number of auditions that your team needs to listen to. While on the topic of your team, why not add more members to your account? By doing this, they're able to easily access auditions, job postings, and provide feedback. The best part is, it is absolutely free to use. Finally, create a favorites list of talent so that you can quickly find them for future projects. They can also be shared with your team. Get creative, have fun, and we'll see you in the next one.